Good night. My name is Jason Aragonés Orjuela. Philly 1565266. Technology in Logistics Management. Learning Activity 50. Este es tu sport. Introduction. Sports are commercial business that work so that the goods and services are sold by a country in foreign territory for its use. Consumer service. It is in the activity that works with importance. They are an essential national accounting tool, complying with the statutes and regulations of trade worldwide. Habits on before sport, regulations and constitutions of the company. The company must be registered with the purpose on dedication to what is the case in goods and services of export and import. Have the shares identify the markets on the consumptions, figures and economic growth rates of a new potential market. Location of the tariff subheading. The important is so how clear the tariff positions of the merchandise to which is sent. This code is what allows you to know what intrinsic requirements the country of destinations has and allows you to know what tax my merchants will pay in that country. Initial good is the products formulations pro Colombia. Yes, the competent entity for some products in Colombia is the ICA. Is ICA for processed and unprocessed foods for INVIMA. Important. Have an agent to help us in the process, who has all the skills and the prosperity training to advise us with the entire sport process. I choose as marketing role client provider distributor client John Venturi. Study very well what type of requirements are needed to enter merchandise to the select country and comply with the regulations. Order and payment. Okay. Receiving the order, the means of the payment, annual the formation corresponding to the delivery, and the product are get hypon. Coordinates transportation taking into account the methods, tariff type of load. I know what? Take care of your client. Keep him informed, conquer other markets, and try again. Customer service. Thank you. Very good. Good night. Happy night. Happy weekend.